Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make poached eggs with a spoon. First, gather your ingredients and tools: fresh eggs, a medium-sized pot, and a slotted spoon. Fill your pot with about 3 to 4 inches of water. This depth is ideal for the eggs to cook properly. Next, add a small splash of white vinegar to the water. This helps the egg whites set quickly and maintain their shape. Now, bring your water to a gentle simmer. You want small bubbles, not a vigorous boil, which can break the eggs. Crack each egg individually into a small bowl or ramekin. This makes it easier to gently slide them into the water. Using your slotted spoon, carefully lower each egg into the simmering water. Avoid dropping them from a height to prevent splashing and breaking. Cook your eggs for approximately 2 to 4 minutes, depending on how firm you like your yolk. For a runny yolk, aim for 2 to 3 minutes. Use your slotted spoon to gently nudge the egg whites around the yolk, helping them form a neat shape. Once cooked to your liking, carefully remove each egg with the slotted spoon. Let any excess water drain off before serving. Serve your perfectly poached eggs immediately on your favorite base, like toasted bread, fresh avocado, or a bed of greens. Season them simply with a pinch of salt and freshly ground black pepper, or add some fresh chives for extra flavor. For more great deals and to check out the Echo Dot smart speaker, be sure to look for the link in the description below. Enjoy your delicious, homemade poached eggs.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.